Apologetic. Very sorry. I felt apologetic for shouting at my friend. He looked apologetic when he broke the glass. Thunderous. Very loud. There was a thunderous crash outside. His voice was thunderous when he shouted. Masterful. Very skillful. He is masterful at painting. The chef made a masterful dish. Melancholic. Very sad. He felt melancholic after watching the movie. Her voice sounded soft and melancholic. Destitute. Very poor. They gave food to destitute families. He was destitute and living on the street. Blinding. Very bright. The sun was blinding this morning. A blinding light came from the car. Skeletal. Very skinny. She was so thin, almost skeletal. The man looked skeletal after being sick. Grave. Very serious. He looked grave and quiet. This is a grave problem. Intricate. Very detailed or complex. I solved the intricate puzzle slowly. The pattern on the carpet is intricate. Rapid. Very fast. The train moved at a rapid speed. She made a rapid decision.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!